Hello everyone, welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. My name is David Mills. I've been working online for 10 years. I have a lot of experience. In this video, I want to go over what this channel's focus will be and why I created the channel. So like I said, I've been working online for about 10 years and I've tried everything listed on this page, including website building. Niche websites, Amazon websites, AdSense websites, things like that. I did a lot of SEO back in around 2009 to 2012 until Penguin hit and my sites were taken down, as a lot of internet marketers experienced at that time. AdSense, Amazon affiliate websites, Amazon FBA. I've even actually outsourced products from China and sold them on Amazon. I've done list building, building leads and selling products to them. I've done Amazon Kindle publishing. I've done Draft2 digital publishing. I've done YouTube channels. I'm currently a Udemy instructor. I've published audiobooks, which I'll get into later on in the video, which I just got into, which I think is a really promising avenue to make money online. And then finally, Fiverr. Now, on this list, there's several different ways to make money online. And I've tried every one of these, and I've actually tried more than even's on this list. But I will say that, currently, today, I can tell you which ones are working the best for me personally. And that's these ones right here. The Draft2 digital publishing is basically, it's another, if you haven't heard of it before, it's a publishing platform that allows you to not publish your book exclusively on just Amazon. Amazon's king when it comes to ebook publishing. The problem is that it's also the most competitive in the world. And so if you don't have a marketing budget, or you're not willing to spend a lot of money on marketing your self-published books, you are going to have a hard time making substantial income from the Amazon platform. So the Draft2 digital, there's virtually no competition. And I've never advertised one time on Draft2 digital after it publishes to about 10 different sites. And I make a nice chunk of change every month from that website. The YouTube channels, everybody knows that YouTube channels work, and you can get paid out by putting ads on your channel with AdSense. You could do some affiliate marketing, dropping links in your description. So YouTube channels are definitely a way to go, but that's also a long-term investment. You're not going to see results right overnight with this method. Udemy classes, posting Udemy classes. There's plenty of other places to post your classes, but Udemy has the biggest platform, and if you do it right, you can make some good money monthly as well on Udemy. Audible audiobooks is ACX, and that is Amazon's audiobook platform, which I've just recently, in the last month, published 2 books, and I can show you my results with that. And then finally, Fiverr. If you're willing to put in a little bit of work daily to do some simple tasks for people, you can make a nice chunk of change monthly as well on the Fiverr platform. Right now I'm going to show you some income proof of the ones that I just showed you. The Amazon Kindle publishing, the Draft2 digital. The YouTube channel one I'm going to save for another video. I'm going to show you my Udemy results, Audible audiobooks results, and Fiverr. So right here, like I was saying with the Amazon, I got back, I've been, doing this since I started doing the ebook publishing back in 2015. Wasn't too successful. I kind of dabbled in it, but kind of took it more serious in 2017, you can see. And, over $1,000 has been earned on this platform throughout the years. I know plenty of people that are making over $1,000 a month doing ebook publishing, doing low content books. You can definitely still get into this. And this is proof that it does work. I've never done any advertising. I've never, I don't even have a AMS, Amazon marketing advertising. I have never even signed into to an account or posted anything. This is just posting books and selling them. So that's how much I've made with the KDP platform. The Draft 2 Digital platform is, I don't have a way to show my lifetime earnings, but it would be in the thousands. Their platform just doesn't allow you to show lifetime earnings. But this is just kind of the way the platform looks, and some of the sales that I'm making on here. This is just for the month. I can show some of the payouts right here. So this is what's really cool about that platform is that I've been able to do some really unique things, posting books, and even posting in a unique way, posting private label rights books on the platform. And as you can see, it's growing month after month. And right now I've had some really consistent months, almost breaking the $100 a month, month after month. And if you can see right here back to May, it's pretty steady. I think this month I may break 100. And what's funny is, that doesn't sound like a lot of money, but this took hardly any work at all. And this is money that comes in every single month. Every single month, that money is true passive income. You make sales while you're sleeping. And, you publish the book one time to these platforms, and then you just look at your money as it gets deposited into your PayPal account. So, this is pretty cool. I like this method. It's one of my favorite methods. My Udemy, course, I actually, on this account, I do have 2 accounts, but on this account, I only have 1 class that's posted, and maybe I'll save that class for another video to show you in depth what the class actually is. But this shows you I'm almost breaking the 1,000 mark. And I published this course, let's see, about a year ago. I think it might have been maybe last fall, maybe last summer. So it might have been posted for about a little over a year. And as you can see, I've almost hit 1,000. I have almost 3,000 students, and I have a way better rating in the category that I posted this in than the average instructor. So it's a really good class, and it does. I can just say that the class does go into how I make money doing this method here with Draft 2 Digital, and with KDP, how to get some books published. But as you can see, it started off, I had a pretty nice month, one of the first months, and then it kind of just tapered off and stayed steady for a while. And then the course just really picked up, and I did change the title of the course to, I think, a more competitive keyword. And last month, you can see last month I just killed it. I had almost $160 just in complete passive. I haven't touched the course in a year and a half, and this is just money that I make every month from doing the work one time. And I remember I recorded this course in an evening. It's about 2 hours long, and I did it all in one evening. So I worked one day, and now I've made $1,000, and I only worked one day. So this is a really great method as well, but you have to take it serious, and you have to be patient in order to make it work. I just got into ACX publishing, taking some good books and actually turning them into audiobooks. And I'll save that for another video on how you can make this happen for yourself as well. But this 30 units sold is going to equate to about between 60 and $100. I don't really have the screen to show that. This platform doesn't really do that. I do have my first monthly, and it will tell me how much I made the first month, but this is going to end up being about 60 to $100 worth of sales. And this is just kind of a test. I'm still a rookie at doing this, but this seems to be a very promising way that I'm going to really get into. But pretty cool that I just posted 2 books, no marketing, no nothing, and still made 30 sales, and it shows a lot of promise. And then finally, the Fiverr. Now, you can see I've made about $1,500 on this account. I've had multiple Fiverr accounts as well. It's nice that you can earn the income here, and then you can actually turn it into and use some of this money for gigs to get some other things done in your business, like hire writers to write books for you, and do some marketing gigs, things like that. So that really is just kind of to show you that I do make money online, and it's not a ton. I don't make $10,000 a month online, but I want to get into why I'm creating this channel. It's because there's so many channels out there that just tell you can make $1,000 a day, do this overnight. And you know what? It's really not, that's not realistic. And that's really not what really ends up happening. If you want to do this business, if you want to make this work for yourself, you've got to put in the time. You've got to work your butt off, and you will get results. You will get results. 1,000 there. I've made thousands on this account. I've made 1,000 on Udemy. This is my latest thing I'm working on, and then I've made $1,500 on here. So, and this is just what's happened the last couple of years. Before that, I was making thousands of dollars on my websites as well. So, let me get back into the presentation real quick. Just wanted to show you the income proof on those. So this channel's focus is going to be, it's going to be on high quality content in the make money online niche. I will cover simple ways to make money online. I'll cover long-term ways to make a real business online, like shown in the proof of income just a minute ago. I'll show you how to make money with many tactics for free. I'll also show you ways that you can speed up your process and get results faster with using special training or software. I'm gonna, this is the unique thing that I think I'm going to be able to offer on this channel that's going to set me apart from other channels, is that I want to give my honest opinion on the methods and products that I'm going to be presenting in future videos. I'm going to show different ways. Maybe a new software might be coming out. I might make a recommendation on it, but I'm also going to tell you if the method itself is realistic, what the time frame that you could expect. It would be almost like me coming out and saying that, hey, you can make money on Fiverr, and you can make, $500 your first week on Fiverr. You know what? After having about 4 Fiverr accounts and spending a lot of time on the platform, I can tell you, and having a top selling gig and a really competitive niche inside of Fiverr, I can tell you that that's not going to happen overnight. I can be honest with you, and that's what I really want to do, is break the cycle of all these channels that's just telling you to buy this, and it's going to solve all your problems overnight. That's not what's going to happen. Real work, real hard work is going to pay off if you focus on one tactic and believe in yourself and believe that it can happen, and then you don't give up. You can push through, and you can make this work for yourself. You can make money online, but it's not as simple as buying a course or buying a piece of software and then making money overnight. People that actually make real income online, like myself, know that that's just not possible, and it's not true. So that's what I want to do on this channel, is just be completely honest with you. So yeah, that's really the focus of this channel. I wanted to give an example recently, and I might say this for another video where I actually show you the details of this, but one example is I recently had watched a video on playlist push. Make a ton of money on playlist push. Make $15 for just listening to a song. And you know what? Guess what? I actually am the kind of person that I actually will take action on something for any other reason other than just to see if what the guy said in the video is actually halfway true. And I can tell you that, for a video that's going to get thousands of views and to, put it up there that you're going to make a bunch of money. All you have to do is just listen to a song. I can tell you right now that you have a 99% chance of not even getting accepted into the program. And I can show you that in another video, this test that I did. But I went ahead and took action on this. I got over 1,000 Spotify followers, got playlist listeners, monthly listeners, did all the things that you need to do to build your channel, and still didn't I got approved for my account, but they have a really good algorithm for looking at if your channel actually does receive the monthly listeners, and if your playlist is not busy enough, then they're not going to approve you to publish, to review songs. So this is just an example of that you got to watch out for what you're watching as well on these Make Money Online channels. That's what I want to focus on is the method realistic? Sure, the possibility to make money from virtually any method is possible. However, I'll tell you how realistic it is and how much time you may need in order to make it work. So why I made this channel? I want to show people how to really make money online and become successful. I want to encourage people to follow their dreams and get results. Successful people are simply those with successful habits. Brian Tracy. Now, Brian Tracy, if you don't know who he is, look him up. He's my favorite motivator. He's built his whole life career has just been traveling the world, speaking in front of millions of people, and just trying to motivate people and to get people to change their lives. I encourage you to look up Brian Tracy and go on this path. Maybe pick up a couple of his audiobooks. I promise it'll change your life. So please join my channel today and learn how to start making money online. Learn how to make money online the right way, the real ways, realistically, honestly, and start changing your life. Cut all the bull crap out and focus on a real method that you do have to put hard work into, but that will pay off in the end. So just asking you to, if you would like, go on this journey with me. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this. And I look forward to seeing you watching some more videos. Thank you.